Alright, so we've got a heck of an operation going on here. I tried to come in my normal way. That didn't work. They've got a pretty substantial milling and paving operation going. So I've got to come around here. I don't know how much of this you can see. I got to try to squeeze in behind that paver, because all this over here is new asphalt, and I'm going to run over a cone. Let me get out and move the cone. Alright, so there's my helper on the skid steer. He's trying to get the paver out of the way. It'd help if I release the brake. We got to get all the way over there and pick up a dozer. With a 75-foot rig. We will get it. We're good. We're good, buddy. We're good. Dang, I gotta remember to tell him to give me that GPS. Now I gotta get out that same way. That's not gonna be easy. Anyway, over here you can see the big milling machine. It chews up the asphalt. And we got trucks trying to get around. It chews up the asphalt, throws it in these dump trucks. Come on, partner, come on. We'll work together. We're both Mac men. Let me see. I'm gonna try to get turned around and pointed in the right direction. That's the water truck for the milling operation. Busy, busy, busy day in here. And there's our dozer we're getting. My guys will be in here next week pouring curb. Easy day. Backed up here, other side of that machine. Of course, there's a truck gonna stop right behind me. Yep, he sees me. Moving on. Thank you, sir. Anyway, I'm gonna get backed up, unhooked. Maybe we'll go check out that paving operation in a minute. Well, they're gonna help me load it up. That always makes it a little easier. Takes away some of the fun, but always a little easier. Perfect. rigged up, ready to roll. Let's go check out a little bit of a milling operation. They're replacing the broom on that broom tractor. A little worn out. This is their milling machine. You can see the asphalt. Now it's gone. So he's digging up the old asphalt. These guys are over here laying new asphalt. Steel wheel roller, rubber tire roller, paving machine. He'll get back up here and make this pool. You can see their lines, all their pools. Tractor, he gets everything cleaned up behind the milling machine. All the dust, dirt, extra little asphalt chips. And then they lay asphalt on top of that and it sticks real good. This is a smaller operation, a parking lot operation. Out on the highways, they'd have a lot more rollers, bigger paver. Oh. But the milling machine would probably be the same. Whew, it's hot. But anyway, that's a milling and paving operation. Well, we're here at our drop-off. They're here working, digging. And we got to open up a gate so we can get in a little better. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to get straight right here and stay. Bit right there. Got her pulled up to the pile, unhooked, working on unchaining. Forgot my keys. I need them to get that last chain. Huh? Oh, he just had a day off that day. Yeah. Wants where my camera guy is. Yeah, BJ. Where are you? got this seat pulled all the way up. Roland's a short little guy. He got the seat pulled all the way up. Try not to hit my truck. We're gonna get her over here way out of the way. That's it. Get out of this thing. And whether they're here working or not, I lock the cab. That way there's never a question. Well, that's gonna be it. We're gonna hook back up, move on.
A few moments later.
Yeah, you're all familiar with this little guy, Cat 305. Another run for the day. We're gonna get her where she goes. That way she can go to work, make some money. Well, folks, so far this year, I've been lucky when it comes to rain. But luck just ran out. We're gonna, and we're in a hell of a spot. Look at here. We're gonna try something new. Try to hurry this thing up. We're gonna try to unload this thing off the side. This will be the first time I've ever done something like this. But I'm trying to stay dry. Got my tracks about halfway off. Tracks are just about ready to come off the trailer. Push the boom out. Up. Yep. Now I'm on top of this median. Well, that's an easy day. It's raining pretty good. Well, there you have it, folks. I have successfully completed my first side unload. Never done it before. Never really felt the need. but I really wanted to stay dry today. So, and there's a crap load of traffic on that little shopping mall entrance. So, that was pretty easy. Well, there she is. Let's get the heck out of here. It's raining. Folks, that's a wrap for the day. Looks like my camera's foggy because it's freaking humid. But I didn't film this one getting loaded up. I was trying my best to beat the rain. You can see it every freaking where. Surrounded by it. Got caught in it some. This thing is foggy. Got caught in it some, but barely beat it loading this one up. That's a good thing. We are done for the day. We'll deliver this tomorrow and move some more. But I appreciate y'all tuning in. It really means a lot to me. So we'll keep the videos up. Until next time.